Hello and welcome to my very first podcast. What I'm trying to do is go outside of my box of knowledge and do something new. So I'm creating podcasts. The reason I'm creating these podcasts is because I want to make these available to you to help you grow using the knowledge that I've already gained. First thing I want to let you know is I do not know everything. I have 30 subscribers currently on this channel and 9,000 subscribers on the shared channel that I have with my girlfriend. So I don't have all the knowledge. I am growing, but what I can do with that knowledge is share it with you. My step-by-step growth as I go. That's the whole point. So what I'm going to be doing over the next foreseeable future is making videos with just my computer, recording just like this, and sharing with you the knowledge that I gain along the way, hopefully to help you be able to take that knowledge and grow yourself. Because in the beginning, it is scary, it is difficult, there are so many unknowns, and we had to learn the hard way. Yes, we did go and do the research and find out from other bigger channels, travel channels, for example, that have become successful and try to replicate that. And I've also done a lot of research on channels like this that are how do you grow on YouTube channels. Based off of what I've learned so far, there's so much more to learn. And hopefully this will be just the start of that process to not only myself getting better and growing as a YouTube channel, but also I'll be able to give you the knowledge so that you can take that knowledge to become better YouTubers yourselves. I'm Eddie. I want you to be better YouTubers.